Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert XY scattered chart in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case, first of all, will open a Word file. Here Word file insert option will go, and there have the chart present. So here the XY scattered option. So how this way lots of scattered function, a scattered chart has been revealed, which have been by default. So we will click the first one and press the OK. See, the value has been revealed, which have been by default. So we want to change this value 0.1 or point some. We see the 0.1. When we change this, the 0.1 has been revealed here. If we want to change how 1, see the 1 y value has been changed. Sorry, the x value has been changed. If we want to change this, so where it has y-axis and the x-axis here have 1. See, 1 here, the 1 and the y value 2.7 here, the 2, and the section has been divided, which have taken from these sections graphics chart or something like this. In this way it is dividing, so in this way we can calculate the things. So here also we can color lots of things, color this color we can change easily from here, as well as the chart design. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.